Welcome back guys. Today Dubstechnology Present with another video. So we expect the Samsung Galaxy S10 release date to be during the first quarter of 2019, most likely around March, and the annual Mobile World Congress show in Barcelona. Samsung Galaxy S10 specs. Ice Universe also revealed the Samsung Galaxy S10 could have an all-new infinity display with an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 93%. The S8 is currently 83.6%. Powering everything could be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, if leaker Roland Quant is to be believed. This will bring the expected improved performance and better efficiency over Qualcomm's current chipset. Also expected to be included is a neural processing unit, NPU, similar to that found on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. This will handle all of the complex AI and 3D processing, leaving the Qualcomm CPU free to handle more straightforward tasks. Samsung Galaxy S10 features. While we didn't see an in-screen fingerprint reader on the Galaxy S9, we hear that the technology is being tested on the upcoming Note 9, although it apparently won't be ready in time for the Note 9 release. That means that the Samsung Galaxy S10 could be the first Samsung phone to feature that innovative technology, perhaps leaving space on the back of the phone to add more cameras. Samsung Galaxy S10 price. It's way too early to make any kind of accurate prediction on the Samsung Galaxy S10 price. What, you want us to try? Anyway, we couldn't possibly. Oh, go on, then. In the US, the Samsung Galaxy S8 launch price was $725, while the Samsung Galaxy S9 launch price was a slightly cheaper $720. In the UK, however, there was a price increase of £100 between the two models. The S8 launched at £639, while the S9 launched at £739. So, our current, very early, guess at the Samsung Galaxy S10 launch price is that, barring a massive economic downturn or sudden consumer demand for ridiculously expensive tech, the US price will remain stable at $725 or thereabouts. And we can't imagine the UK launch price of the S10 dropping back down to S8 levels. So we are going to bet a British pound coin on the S10 launching at £749, a tenner more than the S9. We'll see whether we were right next year. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends. Cause you all the best.